Makes the holidays, the holidays. That shimmer.
So what size? Half inch?
Good.
Are you using a half inch? Yeah, that's almost a half inch bit for a 4 gauge. We got a 2022 Kia Forte GT we're working on right here. We're gonna put the MTX right here. We're gonna put the Boss 1100 here. That's customer brought it over and we just doing the work. The rest are wire and or that's what we're gonna do. What he done, we couldn't find any booth or anything that we can just poke it through the firewall, so we had to drill it out to that, and he's got a drill already. I'm gonna show you where the hole is gonna be at, but at the same time I'm gonna to run a remote wire with it also to the fuse box, just right there. Now I got yep, that's good right there. More remote right here, long enough, and the power right there. So that's it.
With the plastic.
Okay, now we'll do another side. Always wear some glove because in case some car they got a cracked window, or not a cracked window, glass and stuff, and then you grabbing the wrong spot. This case we're gonna have to open this up and open that so we can reach the speaker wire. So usually we just run the wire right down here, sneak it in, but we can't do on this one. Just kind of grab it easy because this is fragile. It's 2022, but now the speaker wire that we're looking for, we're gonna strip this wire out right here. We're gonna look for a yellow and black.
That's for the high-low converter.
What we're gonna do right here, I'm gonna strip right here. You see the yellow? They should be wrapping together. See yellow and black right here? We're gonna use yellow as positive, and then black is negative, not as, but we need to use the yellow for positive and black for negative. In our case, we're not stripping anything, we just crimp it. We're using a T-tap and a quick disconnect, a male quick disconnect, and he's gonna crimp that in for the yellow. That's a positive. And then he's gonna zoom it in a little bit. Right there, he's gonna use a black one as negative. Now the speaker wire, the wire that wrap together like that, like so. Here's another yellow. Okay, now you got yellow as positive and then black as negative. Hooking up this is a speaker wire. You can use 18 gauge, 16 gauge, whatever you prefer. And gonna run it all to the back. Okay, now we're doing a ground, so usually you want to brush it off real good, clean it real good. So this is how we do it. Make sure it go all the way to the bare metal. See right there. So now he's crimped that to a ring, a 4-gauge ring, and he's gonna a self-tapper. We're using a self-tapper screw. We always put them 2, because if you put one of them, after a while when the vibration, it's gonna move, and it's gonna have a loose connection. That's what a lot of people have a problem, is that they putting only one, and then once it moves, it's not getting a good contact with the ground, and it usually make it bad for the amplifier. So here's the connection. We got the remote wire, we got the power and ground hooked up, and then that's to the speakers. Now I'm gonna explain this part right here. As you can see right here, you got the yellow, the blue and the white, the outside one right here. It's positive, and then you got the green and red go to the negative. Remember that we ran the yellow to the red wire right here for the speaker wire from there, from the left rear. So the red one will go to the white blue, and then the black one will go to red and green, and you can leave this black one alone. Since this is I couldn't find anything for accessory, I'm gonna hook it up to the ignition, which is number 25 on the top, very top. Here's how I'm gonna wire it to the fuse. It's gonna be on the right side. If you look from back of the steering wheel, it'll be on the right hand side. In that case, if there's a short from this wire to the amp, it'll pop the fuse instead of burn something out. Okay, as you can see right here, it's on the right hand side. It's on the top, very top one. It's between the 15 on one side, left side, and 15 on the right hand side. And then you want to be on the right hand side for the remote wire. In this case right here, what I did, I went to setup, click on setup, and then click on sound, and then speed dependent volume control. I need that to start off right there. Off. You see that? It's going off. That means if you are driving, it won't make that crazy sound on that. So we got it on off. And then now we're ready to hear the music.
It's the holidays. The holidays. That shimmer.